Hey there, my name is Aaron, and I have food. And today it's a simple recipe for roasted potatoes. On to the ingredients. You're gonna need kosher salt, black pepper, garlic salt, dried oregano, and olive oil. For this recipe, we're going with some baby potatoes. And this bag has 3 varieties: the gold, some red, and Peruvian purple. Yeah, real purple potatoes. Trust me, they taste very good. We're going to start by putting the potatoes in a bowl. And some of them I'm going to leave whole, but the majority I'm going to cut in half. Going to place them all here in the bowl. It's where we're going to do our seasoning. Cutting in half not only doubles the yield, but the cut side will have a crispy bottom when placed in the oven. More on that in a bit. Next we're going to pour in the olive oil, and I'm kind of eyeballing it here, just a good amount so all the potatoes get covered. Then we're going to pour in the salt. Give about 3 to 4 good pinches of salt. Then a little bit of garlic salt. And freshly ground black pepper. Last but not least is some dried oregano. Good herbal flavor is going to just lighten up the taste. And then give it all a good mix with your hands. Make sure everything's coated. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then spray down a sheet pan with some non-stick spray. Then pour out your potatoes in an even layer. Don't want them stacking on top of each other. Now what you see that I'm doing here, I'm putting the potatoes cut side down because I want that skin to get really crispy when it goes into the oven. And the heat from the metal really helps with that. You see the skin looks very dried out. And then you'll see the golden brown of the cut side, almost like it's candied. And you could do this with any kind of potatoes, not just these small ones. It's also a great recipe for vegetarians, no meat or dairy. It's a really great appetizer, or maybe a side dish that'll go with the meat or a fish. If you want, you could place some dabs of butter, let it melt on top, or even some sour cream. Very easy dish to make, and I hope you guys make it yourselves at home. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Having a lot of fun making these videos. Please like and subscribe, and comment for any recipes you would like to see in the future. Thank you.